What's up, everybody? Joshua Salvetti, and welcome back to another episode of the High Performance Trader. So today we're going to be breaking down this week ending in 5/27, May 27, 2023, and we're going to be breaking down all the opportunity that it presented to us, right? I'm a big price and volume analysis trader. I truly believe in putting in all the work you can, becoming obsessed with the charts, and learning to identify opportunities each and every single day. So we're going to be breaking down some of my favorite strategies, some of my favorite ways and tips and tricks and how I identify that. But first, before we go any further, come check me out over here at the High Performance Trader on Instagram. I break down a daily recap every single day. Every single day, I'm going to post a video of the trade I took, the opportunity I was able to identify or not, and why I took the trade and what I was specifically looking for to make money each and every single day. This is a very good resource. If you are not following me, check it out. It's super valuable for every single trader out there. And then, guys, if you want to dive a little deeper in understanding our edge, you must check out highperformancetrader.net. The link is in the description below. We are offering a free online resource, online trading course on our edge. Not only our edge, we break down market concepts, right? So you can understand the auction better, areas of value, right? What that means, our critical levels, identifying market conditions, right? Because that's one of the most important components that goes into becoming a consistently profitable trader. All the trading strategies I use, right? Trading metrics, right? How to build confidence, control, conviction in your edge and in within yourself, because that is one of the most important things that you must do as a trader, right? And we're going to get into that. And then market psychology, right? We have a whole 4-step process on trader accountability, self-awareness, creating structure in an unstructured environment, perceiving market information, and beliefs about yourself, the market, and success. This is a super valuable resource. You must check it out. It's completely free. And get involved in the Discord, right? The link's in the description below as well. Free 7-day trial. If I don't make you money, you can quit and get out and leave and never come back. It is super valuable, guys. You have to get involved with a team that is going to hold you accountable, right? So I got a quick lesson for us today, and we're going to break it down. And basically what I want to do is show you how I identified all this opportunity today, this week on the QQQ. So the first day I want to break out is going to be on SPY, right? And let me just pull this up. And then we are going to whip out the 5-minute. Okay. And the first day we're going to be talking about is Tuesday, 5/23/2023. So on the chart on the left does not have pre-market data, and the chart on the right does. And I'm going to show you why it is I do this in a minute. Okay, so Tuesday, right? We had this sell-off pre-market. We've been in an upward trend, but we ran into a supply zone over here at 420, right? And what I mean by supply zone is this was an area where sellers were much stronger, right? Sellers had the market here. There was more supply than there was demand, causing the market to move in a downtrend all morning, right? So we were gapping down into a weaker demand zone here at 417. And if I pull up, let me just pull up a couple days back. I'll show you the demand zone I was looking at and the trade that I took. So notice what I'm doing here is going back. So I go back to identify my zones, right? So we had this area of demand over here at 417.38, right? So this was an area where buyers previously stepped up and defended price. This is what we call a demand zone, right? When buyers are in control, that's demand. When sellers are in control, that's supply, right? So this area on this chart, there was larger demand for shares at 417 than there was supply, causing price to increase, right? So this is where the battle was happening. Now, you can see we opened below it. And when we open below a demand zone, that is telling us it's weak, right? And this is all goes into the ability to identify market conditions, right? So when I say identify market conditions, what I'm talking about is identifying who's in control right now, right? Who is in control of the market right now? How do we identify that? We do that through price action, through volume, and through critical levels. Right, so we had this critical level over here. So since we broke below this demand zone, this is when I get rid of it because now it's not valid. I don't want to look at it anymore. If buyers are not holding it down, I don't want to look at it. So now I'm kind of just going off price action. Now what I mean by that is I'm letting the candlesticks tell me the rest. So this is what the day kind of looked like, and we had a low, a daily low over here at 416.85. So in this area, I'm looking for price to come down and retest it, and for buyers to defend it. If buyers do not defend it, I am then identifying that these are bearish conditions, and I'm going to be looking to place shorts, right? So buyers cannot defend this area. Sellers pummeled right through it. Now, there's a bunch of different types of traders out there. Some traders will enter this trade immediately, and other traders, more successful traders, will wait patiently to wait for a better opportunity to solidify the strategy. So how this strategy works, I call it the break and retest, is you break through a critical level, right? We all know how I identified this as a critical level, which was literally, guys, it's this simple. This is low of day, and you are in a downtrend, right? So we're in a downtrend, and this is low of day. This is the lowest price all day. So if buyers don't defend this, we're looking for a heavy move to the downside, right? So we break this critical level and we come up and retest it. Look at this. This is a perfect break and retest. And what I love about the break and retest is how well it works, right? So we break through this critical level over here at 416.85. We come up and we retest it, right? And this is on the 5-minute time frame for anybody that wants to see it. So, and this is what the market looks like without the pre-market data. We come down, break through it, come up, retest it, and look at the volume that comes into the game right when we break through this critical level. We break through it with heavy volume. This is telling you that large money has entered the scene. Large money is controlling the market, and remember, we want to trade with large money. We cannot move the market. Only thing we can do, and when I say we, I'm talking retail trader, only thing we can do is identify large money and trade with them, because we do not have what it takes to move the market. They do. So we must learn to identify them and trade with them, right? So we break through this critical level, we come up and we retest it perfectly, right? Buyers ripped right back into it. And that tells me sellers are patient, right? And you can start to see this because remember, guys, charts and chart patterns and the market itself is nothing but human behavior, right? So you must understand that the patience it takes to be successful, and that patience is a trait that controls the market. It's the patient traders that make the most money, that control the market, and that use all these non-patient traders as liquidity to make more money, right? So once again, price breaks, comes up, retests, we get heavy volume solidifying the move, right? So then price really starts to sell off. Now this is when this strategy gets even cooler. So we're in this trade right here. How do I know when to get out, right? Because and this is very critical. Every single day you're going to enter trades, and if you don't know what to look for to get out of a trade, you're never going to become successful in the market, right? So this is what I do. I grab, okay, so we have that critical level that was broken. I come up to it, I right click, I click duplicate drawing. And now I bring this down to the other critical level we just broke below, which is the swing low. And when I mean swing low, I mean this is a swing low, this is a swing low, this is a swing low, right? The low, we're making lower lows. So these are critical areas, right? So we break below this swing low, and then look, we come up and we retest that, right? We break through it, we come up, we retest it, and then bam, we sell off heavy, right? So this is how this strategy works, and it is a phenomenal strategy because every options trader that traded this knows they made almost 700% return on their investment trading the break and retest, right? I love this, and this strategy is amazing. I offer a full online course on it in Trader Bootcamp. You must check it out, right? It's very simple, and get in the habit of using it, because the break and retest is going to help you understand who's in control of the market and trade with it, right? If you break a critical level, that's telling you that in this scenario, sellers are in control, right? And you want to trade with sellers. So price comes up, retest the critical level, sells off heavy. Then we come up and retest it again. Buyers cannot prevail. And when buyers start getting stomped out of their trades, it sells off immensely, right? And then, but say we are still patient because we want to know the best time to get out of this trade. So now we go to the next swing low, right? And then look, bam, buyers cannot get past it. So I use this strategy each and every single day to help me get in trades and help me stay in trades and then help me to get out of trades. This right here, and what I'm doing here is just trading with the overall trend of the market, trading with the overall temperature of the market, trading with whoever is in control of the market. And we do this through candlesticks and candlestick analysis. So guys, go check out on Trader Bootcamp. Go check out the Instagram. And if you want to get involved with a team that is going to hold themselves accountable each and every single day, I will see you in the Discord, right? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a like, subscribe for more content, send me some love, and I will see you in the next lesson.